Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about this Tinashe hair and how I make my lace frontal wigs. So this is the hair. It comes with a manual type thingy that basically shows their different hair textures and types, and they also sent me a little makeup sponge. So this here is the 26-inch bundle, and I'm just showing y'all the curl pattern straight out the packaging, and it does have a 100% virgin tag on it. And there's no smell in this hair. This hair actually smelled pretty like normal. So I'm going to be using 30 volume developer and blue flash powder lightener, and I'm going to mix that in this bowl here. You're going to need some duck lip clamps, I believe those are called, and of course needle and thread. And you're also going to be needing your spandex dome cap. That's the cap I choose to use. Use whatever you please. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix the bleach and developer up. Bleach and developer in this paste like texture, and I'm gonna spread that on using a plastic butter knife just because it helps it go on flat. And trying to decrease, well, not trying to decrease, but trying to avoid bleaching the hair as much as possible. So I'm just gonna cover that up and continue to spread the bleach on lightly. So I let the bleach set on for about 20 or 25 minutes, and then I'm rinsing it with cool water, and I'm taking this olive oil neutralizing shampoo to restore the hair back to its natural pH, and I'm just going to use that all over the lace and also on the hair. To get rid of the brassiness, I'm using this shampoo, this Silver Plus shampoo I stole from my mama with her gray hair. I'm using that to get rid of the brassiness, get all that red out so that it can be a nice even brown tan color. And then I'm going to condition. You can use any conditioner you choose. I'm using the Organics macadamia oil conditioner, and I also went and let this sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm showing y'all the knots. Everything is bleached perfectly fine. And then I'm going to go in and begin to start customizing the hairline. There's nothing really particular I can say about this. Just make sure you customize your hairline to your liking and make sure it resembles your natural hairline. I am plucking behind the line. I'm sorry, behind one single like layer, I guess, of the hair, because that's going to be like my baby hairs. And I'm just going to pluck from one side to the other, and then you'll see the difference between unplucked side and a plucked side. So I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm just going to be plucking it. So I'm pretty sure you've seen oh my god, I'm pretty sure you've seen a really good amount of you know, tutorials as far as customizing lace frontals go. So this is just how I do mine, just using tweezers. So yeah. So that's about how much I took out right now. I usually try not to over pluck because I have done that before, so I like to pluck very minimal, and then as I need I go back and pluck some more. So we're going to go and start to prep the frontal to be sewn down, and I'm just using these like ball pins that I got from Walmart to pin it down on both sides. Make sure it's super flat on the back, and then you just go ahead and sew it down. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you know, make sure you're really taking your time with this step because you want your frontal to be laid as flat as possible. So I am now to the bundles, and this is how much I have left with only 2 bundles sewn in. So knowing me, I had to go and take out the bundles and restart it, so I ended up doubling the 2 bundles in the middle, which is the second 26 and one of the 24s, and then I went ahead and single track the last 24-inch bundle at the top just so that it could be flat, and I still ended up not even using all the hair. So if you want to get this hair, you can actually go ahead and try 3 bundles and it'll still be pretty full because you saw how much space I had at only 2 bundles. So yeah, I just squeezed those in and still didn't even use all of the hair. So once you get to the last track, you want to make sure you attach it to the stitchings of your frontal. Snip that thread, tie you some knots, and then your wig is complete. Finally, it took me so long. I think I did this in like 2 days, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but my shirt changed, so yeah. So I'm going to spritz the hair down with some H2O, no product added, and look how these curls are just bouncing, y'all. Look at that. I had to put it in slow motion for y'all. So yeah, I love this freaking hair. It's like so pretty, y'all. These waves were like bouncing, like I don't even know what to compare it to, but it was so pretty. I'm gonna let it air dry for a couple hours, and this is how it came out looking after that. Like, it's so full. Do you see those waves? Like, y'all, slow motion, one more time. It's so freaking pretty. I'll leave all links down below to this hair. Y'all check it out.